Akbor. We gave direction to water. Water, the source of life, must be distributed and consumed more healthfully and economically both in our region and the world. Qualities of pipes used in water carrying are very important. Each variety of pipes has advantages and disadvantages. Massive investments have been made within years in research and development field on the purpose of removing these disadvantages. Consequently, glass fiber reinforced pipe like GRP pipe technology has been developed. Akbor, which is the leader in its sector, represents GRP pipe technology, which is anti-corrosive, environment-friendly and economical. GRP pipes are not affected by corrosion and are very resistant to chemical abrasions. Its joint point couplings have EPDM elastomeric seal against leaking. It weighs 1/4 in accordance with steel pipes, 1/10 in accordance with concrete pipes. It can be carried one within another, so transport costs are low. It can be mounted very fast by using less power. It needs few joint points and seals. It can be laid easily. It doesn't have maintenance and cover costs. It has low coefficient of friction. It means it needs low pumping energy thanks to its smooth inner surface. It is flexible because of plastic additive, resistant to pulses, and its operating life is at least 50 years. It is protective against earthquakes and subsidence of ground. Akbor manufactures GRP pipes and fitting parts which can be identified the most ideal in every field such as drinking water, agricultural irrigation, rainwater, canalization, industry, refinement, cooling, energy projects and hydraulic power plants at international standards. And it releases the products in domestic and abroad markets. Akbor, established with domestic capital, carries on business in an area of 60,000 square meters, 7,000 square meters of which is roofed. Akbor doesn't only use this technology that took the place of concrete and metal-based conventional pipes used in the past, but also manufactures this technology within the body of Flowtech Technology, which is the subsidiary company of it. Having developed this technology on its own with the investment it made on technology and research and development activities, Akbor is growing with firm steps by manufacturing with the machines approved by institutions. Making glass fiber reinforced plastic pipe production with Flowtech technology, Akbor constantly uses continuous filament winding process. This method consists of machine which makes most developed technology production in the world by means of quality, speed and economy, and mandrels mounted to the main shaft and steel bands rolled over it. Basic information such as diameter, pressure and stiffness of the pipes are entered in computer. Glass fiber that forms composite structure, sand and surface bands made of glass fiber are applied to the polyester mix pumped to the main production machine with mandrel move under the supervision of logical control system and computer. Akbor GRP pipes can be produced in 2,500, 5,000, 10,000 stiffness classes up to 40 bar pressure resistance in 300 to 4,200 mm diameters. Composite structured pipes designed for pressure and gravity systems take place in flexible pipe category. In production process, pipe diameter, hardness and pressure values suitable for the project are provided with integrated process check. Composite structure that is formed and exothermic reactions continue proceeding among infrared heaters in the step when curing process occurs. Pipe cutting unit synchronized with the speed of pipes proceeding, that is axial and radial movements, provides cutting of GRP pipe length properly and steeply in accordance with the specified lengths entered in PC program. Each pipe to be sent to the area is applied to a calibration unit and both ends of the pipe are calibrated and the bevel faces are chamfered in accordance with the project and international standard requirements. All produced pipes are applied to obligatory detailed tests that the standards set forth, and all of the pipes and sleeves have hydrostatic pressure tests twofold of nominal pressure after physical control. Later on, the GRP couplings fit on pipes. the sleeve coupling joint lines that bring GRP pipes in sealing feature, which are produced for pressurized and unpressurized lines. The pipes for the manufacturing of coupling are produced simultaneously with the main machine. Then the coupling pipes are chamfered and cut in suitable measures. Later, gasket and stopper places are opened. Seals that prevent leaking are produced out of EPDM elastomeric material. Profile of this elastomeric material is designed for high tightness authentically. Special fitting parts such as elbows, T-pieces, reducers and flanges are needed. Akbor meets this need by producing them in a separate facility with its experienced technical staff and puts into service. Fitting parts are produced with GRP pipe by hand layup method. Fitting parts are produced with GRP pipe by hand layup method. The fitting parts can also be produced in construction yards when needed. Detailed tests are applied during and after the production of Akbor pipes and fitting pieces in accordance with American AWWA and ASTM widely accepted all over the world. Having the standards of ISO, EN, BS, GOSTR, Bulgar and Turkish Standards Institute, Akbor preeminently holds quality and control. Long-term tests target for identifying design criteria and product behavior of the pipe. Akbor tests that operating life of pipes is 50 years by analyzing with the data provided with long-term tests envisaged by international standards. In addition to tests such as surface hardness, wall thickness, pipe length, stiffness, ring tensile strength and composite analyzing in laboratories of Akbor that are equipped with high technology, tests such as impact strength and junction performance are also made. Site supervisor and technical staff that will assist in technical introduction application of the product give service by providing technical support on project basis in Akbor, which pays attention to customer satisfaction. Site forces consisting of experienced technical staff, engineers and technicians in projects and implementation areas provide supervision and assistance so that laying works in construction yards are carried out fast and effectively with the site teams consisting of experienced technical staff, engineers and technicians in project and application field. They work with a wide and experienced engineering team about the subjects on technical drawing, horizontal drawing, material discovery, pipe design and analysis calculations for producing economical solutions. It has finished substructure projects in big centers such as Van, Erciş, Mardin, Adana, Hatay, Yalova, Ankara, Ağrı, Trabzon, Samsun, Aksaray, Sivas, Konya, Kayseri, Karaman, İzmir, Malatya, Amasya, Kırklareli, Erzurum, Antalya, Yozgat, Balıkesir. Besides, it's a respected institution in 20 countries by constantly importing products to countries such as Turkmenistan, Azerbaijan, Nakhchivan, Albania, Iraq, Ukraine, Bulgaria, Slovenia and Ethiopia. Strong support by domestic and foreign investors that prefer Akbor pipes in their projects makes it the leader institution in its sector in Turkey and regional countries. Akbor continues to be a leader institution that gives direction to water, which is vitally important by means of the future of communities with its outstanding service quality. Akbor, we gave direction to water.